Nui Te Aroha is a new waiata from Rotorua-based band Origin Roots Aotearoa. The waiata was written in response to what it saw as a lack of compassion and whanaungatanga across the motu in early 2022 during the Parliament protests in Pōneke. Lead singer Eugene Temara no Tainui Te Aroha, Mataatua is with us now. Tēnā koe, Eugene, thank you for joining us.
Tēnā koe ho tira te moti whanui mōrena.
I don't want to cast any aspersions here, but it sounds like you've been celebrating a little bit. What's happened?
Well, we've just had the biggest event on the Māori calendar up in Tāmaki Makaurau with Te Matatini, and our ropu's just returned home yesterday, so a bit whango on the korokoro here.
It's great to be able to speak to you, and it was a sensational week. Now, the name of your waiata is Nui Te Aroha. What do these words mean to you, not just for your waiata, but in life?
Nui Te Aroha is something that I suppose we understand the kupu aroha, but it has a huge ripple effect on what it can do to not only yourself, but your iwi, your hapu, your people. It's sharing unconditional love to everyone.
And what about the events around the Parliament protests, particularly inspired Nui Te Aroha?
Yeah, I suppose during that time that we saw a lot of our own people going against one another, not just Māori, all ethnicities, and I wanted to compose a waiata where ka whakakotahi nei ia tātou, where it draws us back together to being one as a motu.
And what would you like to have seen during these protests that might have allowed more aroha across the motu from the government's perspective, whānau and protesters?
Yeah, it's once again having just compassion and love for our people. You know, ahako piki heke, although the ups and downs, we have to rally together. We have to come together as one and use what we use in terms of our waiata, Nui Te Aroha, to bring us together.
Ka pai. Now, there's also a message in your waiata that may also resonate with victims of Cyclone Gabriel. Talk us through this and what that message is. What do you hope people will hear?
Well, just like I was speaking about earlier, what it was doing to bring us all together with words like Nui Te Aroha. As we've seen over the motu whānui with Auckland flooding, the Tairāwhiti, the Northland, our communities come together and they showed aroha to one another in order to rebuild their communities so they can get back stronger again. And I believe our waiata Nui Te Aroha has set a platform and a precedence for our communities to come together to look after.
And talk us through your band there. Where you're all from and how did you connect to form Origin Roots Aotearoa?
Yeah, it's been a whirlwind of a ride, and Rotorua-based here in Te Nui in the Bay of Plenty. Pretty much majority of us are from Rotorua. We've got some from Tauranga, from Tainui as well. And I believe things happen for a reason. And the people that we draw together are here for a purpose and a greater purpose. And that's what's brought us together.
And there you have it. So how are you hoping to spread your messages of aroha through your waiata, through your music, including live performances in the near future?
Well, I'll be real with you there, Neil. We want to really showcase our te reo Māori. And we are unapologetically using our language to really showcase and highlight us as te iwi Māori. But here in Aotearoa, we're quite diverse with different cultures. And I believe our waiata here will draw us together so that we have nothing but Nui Te Aroha.
Congratulations on your performance with Te Kapahaka o Ngāti Whakaue. How are you all feeling now?
It was unreal. Now, there wasn't any expectations of us, to make the finals, and where we placed was, let's go to Te Matatini, let's be us, let's take our koro bomb with us, let's take all our koeke, our iwi, our hapu, and let's unite together as one and be Ngāti Whakaue.
Yeah, beautiful. And you guys were awesome. Thank you so much. Eugene Temara, lead singer for Origin Roots Aotearoa. Thank you so much for joining us today, and all the best with your new waiata. Ngā mihi ki a koe.
Tēnā.